Okay, so if you are just watching this, this is a part two of a video. So I expect that before you do watch this, please endeavor to watch the part one because it's actually necessary so you don't get lost. So now we are done with the fixing of the leaves, so the stems, and now it's just for us to get our headwear. I mean the headband, and also of course the strips we've cut out from the leather, and apply them or tie them up or cover use it to cover the headband. So actually I've applied my adhesive, and so it can actually hold the leather down while I roll it down or twist it around the Alice band. So this is what you continue to do to actually cover almost halfway of the Alice band, and before you start fixing your pre-stemmed leaves. So basically what it entails is that it actually depends on what you want to create. But for me, as I want to create this particular fashion sorry, as I want to create this particular fascinator, I'm expected, or I expect to start a little bit before getting to the center of the Alice band, so that the way it would stay on the head will look a bit more like it's coming from one side. You understand? So but if you want to start from maybe before the center or after the center of the fascinator, or the I mean the Alice band, it's your choice. You understand? Basically it's what you have in mind that you're actually replicating. So basically that is what it is. So now I'm trying so much, so much to stop this word basically. But if you enjoy my basically videos, let me know because some people are already attacking me, madam, basically. But basically that is what it entails. So while we are just doing this, you can see now that I'm already applying the stem feathers or the feather stems, and there's no much thing here. It's just how to fix these things at the right time, because there are ways you fix them and it won't actually look well. Even while I finished fixing it, I was thinking maybe there should be something else I should have done, but it happens. So these are things you should just endeavor to know before you start fixing or making your fascinators. So this is what I actually did, and while I'm wrapping, you should also be mindful, because while I fixed the stem, I had to first apply an adhesive so that it can actually glue to the headband or the Alice band, and so that in future if you do that, it might start twisting, and leather can easily worn out, or if it's not a real leather, it can maybe expand later on, and the your beautiful fascinator might be twisting or something. You understand? So these are things you should also consider while you're applying that. So now I'm actually going to be applying the second feather stem, and am I calling it feather stem? Oh my god, sorry, our leaf stem or our stem. So, and while you're doing that, you should also be mindful. There will be a stage you should get to and also twist along, or you can also, instead of twisting on the Alice band, you can simply cut after getting to a particular place, depending on what you want. So this is my way, and you also have your way if you are a milliner. And if you are new to this millinery work, you can also create your own way, so depending on what you feel. So now if you have other comments or something new, or you feel I should have done to this headwear or to this fascinator, please do drop your comment down below. And if you find this video very interesting, and is what your MB if you're in Nigeria, then basically what it entails is that drop your comment down below and let me know actually. So, and also, if as I'm talking, I expect you guys be looking at what I'm doing, because basically what it's involved is that this whole thing have to just be something you see before knowing how to do. You understand? So I don't know how else to explain it while I'm making it, because it's just applying. I'm just applying it, I'm just attaching it. It's not like I'm measuring the space between one before putting another. You understand? So just know what to do when you're doing it. So, and this is just how I made mine. So if you feel there should be something else I would have done or something I should try, let me know. So, and again, I keep saying, please do not send me videos that that I feel I'll have to spend a lot of money to actually do this to make you guys know, except if you are ready to sponsor the program or if you are ready to sponsor the tutorial. If you are ready to sponsor the tutorial, feel free to actually contact me. Tell me what and what you want me to show on YouTube, and how to go and I'll tell you what it will cost us to actually show you it. And of course, we'll show it on YouTube if that is what you want. But that is just aside. And if it's a simple headgear, what is there? We'll just show it on YouTube. So basically, that is what it entails. And you can see we're already done with our fascinator. And that is all it entails. That is all that is involved in making this beautiful headwear. So I expect you guys to actually try it, wherever you are, and see if you can make something good for yourself. And do not forget, remember to like and share this video, and give it also a thumbs up, and let us grow this channel, make this channel a popular channel, and a channel that people can actually resort back to if they are facing challenges in millinery. So please do not hesitate to actually share and like this video. It matters to, for someone to actually come up and do such a thing, you know that he or she is ready to share. So basically, I will also encourage you guys to share and make sure it reaches people. Share on your Insta story, share it on your YouTube, on your Facebook page, share it on WhatsApp. Just share the link, then the person can comfortably click on it and watch on YouTube. It's as easy as that. If you don't know how to share, there is a share icon on the video right now you're watching, so you can actually use it to share this video. It's so easy. So thank you guys for watching, and I appreciate you all. If you are old timer, thank you, I love you guys. If you are new to this family, thank you, I love you too. But please click on the subscribe button, and do not forget to also click on the bell button so that you can be notified whenever we upload a video. Thank you, and remember to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. I'll be leaving the link down below at the description box so that you guys can follow us. Thank you. Bye.